Hi everyone. Just like many of you, I am a mom too. And my kids get a lot of things. Got some main boots. I'm so stinking excited to actually see these in real life. Okay, so you are looking at it in the light right now. This is not what they actually look like until a light hits them. So I would like to show you how to put this little toe guard on the actual shoe itself, so you have some more protection in case you do fall. It's easier to replace just these. These you can find on Etsy for, you know, $4 to $15 for the pair, so these are really, really nice to have. So I'm going to show you how to put the toe guards on and lace them up. So you just unscrew this, and it's so cute. It has a little moon on it. Yeah, there's a little nut. So super, super cute little moon boots. Just what they are. And then you'll take this little guy, and there are two holes at the top. Those are where the shoelace goes in, and then here's a little hole at the bottom, and that is actually where that bolt goes in. So you'll just slide it right over the top of the toe, and then you put it back on. Your little nut. So you have two holes. Those are where the strings go. This is where the little stopper goes. I'll just put it over the top so you can see the hole, and then you'll put it in. Get it nice and tight on there. Now you have some more protection for your boot. I'll show you how to lace them up on our next video. Bye.